Good evening, classmate and tutor. My name is Carlos Kera. I'm going to do my task about the topic chosen, the 10 needs in the teaching listening skill. My methodology, according to the lecture, is interpersonal activity first. And this is a team for students that develop a strong listening skill and by through interpersonal activities of the mock interview and the story team. It is in the mock interview that how the student do the short information like on the slide and talking about the specific topic and you and how you improve your skill listen and try to understand the persons. The second activity or techniques to put and the listen is group activity. The group activity, everybody know, is very useful to improve and to learn any language. But when you have that many person to practice English, is most important. Well, this idea or activity that you can do in this segment is writing the song. The writing song is very important for the listening skill, and you get the lyrics and the listen the song sometimes you can to understand. You practice and practice. The classmate help and to improve. And anime song, interesting song is the one and if you want to listen, this is very useful. I use and this is technique really is very powerful for the student the student. Anyway, in group that the person had to practice and it's sure that because the practice in group activities are really important that the person have a different way to speak or with different word and pronunciation. Maybe someone speaks slow or the person speaks fast. It's very important to and trying to listen or in at the same time understand the person. The activity in any language is really very important to learn. The audio segment, this is a skill we need to improve. We need to improve the listening. For me, the listening is a very strong in this part. You can to listen another person well. You can understand anything. You can to answer to the person. The segment that is taking the different segment, the audio and program or and postcard. Really something animate the student and motivate motivate to try to listen. This is how the segment. The idea is to try to and to are in this environment and listen in English all the time. This is very very important, and this is 10 topic. And video segment maybe is very important to listening skill, improve listening skill, but also in video segment, the student have the opportunity to see, to watch the body language in the United States. The people are native people in the United States is very useful to body language, and listen and spend time to watch the movie, watch the films. They're very interesting because you maybe understand with the moving and the hands moving and the moving in the face. You can understand and you can say in the sense or topic the video. Try to listen another time. Moreover, this is a methodology how the evaluation The evaluation is really important to know the really knowledge, the really knowledge get the students. The evaluation is very easy to take you the video or audio, not important, audio segment, and take you the audio, and the student take you the paper, starting to write it down in the when they going to the listen. They are going to listen. They're going to the reading and the songs. Release will also be important. And the teacher, this is way, they can to know that the student really is learning. It was learning. This is the goal process for me. Is to start, the methodology is really important and useful for improve the skill listens. Thank you very much. This is my video how to listen and give me your feedback at some time to improve this is my methodology. Thank you very much.